Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use AI Writer on OnePlus phone or tablet to generate a blog post. First of all, you need to have a smart bar enabled. A smart bar is this little bar on either side of the screen that if you slide it towards the center, it opens some useful tools. If you don't have this smart bar enabled, go to the settings, then go to accessibility and convenience and smart sidebar. Then make sure smart sidebar and smart functions are both enabled and you'll be able to use it. Now open an app that supports AI Writer, and I don't really understand why it has to be a certain app, but if you don't know which one supports it and which one to choose, just open Notes. I think it's the most convenient that way because you can easily paste it to a note that way. Let's open the smart bar and you can see AI Writer has appeared. Now, if you want, you can select write, check or rewrite. We'll be selecting write because this is what we want to achieve. We want to write a blog post. So just say write me a blog post on, and you can add whatever topic you like. I'll ask it for healthy food that doesn't have to be disgusting. And also scroll down a little bit to select the tone. I'll set it to casual because it's a blog post, and let's generate it. Let's see what it says. And as you can see, it has generated it. If you wish, you can rewrite it to continue writing, shorten, elaborate, or polish. And you can also change the tone to more formal, casual, or polite. Then once you're done with all of that, copy it and feel free to paste it to your blog or just to notes by clicking on plus, pressing and holding, and clicking on paste. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.